Everybody, it's Mandolin here. If you are new to this channel, welcome. This week's vlog is going to be a little bit about just my week. Stick along for the video. We have a little bit of work to do first, but after that we can get into some fun things, so we'll see. So come along. We're going to go clean my Jeep and then also clean my room, pickleball later, and tan. Just cut off my whole head that whole time. Welcome back, y'all. Just cut my head off. See? Whatever. It's not the best thing. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day and I have some fun things planned later in the day. I have to get ready, so let's get ready for the day and let's go. The UV is an 8 right now and we're gonna get tan. I brought my book just in case I get bored of my book. Sunglasses. And my water. Gotta stay hydrated, am I right? Or am I right? Why is this so close to my face? Anyway, we're gonna be tanning out here for probably an hour. Anyway, let's tan. Look how beautiful this sky is. So weird. Guys, it's literally so hot out here. I'm drenched in sweat. This is nasty. I'm out here on my bed right now, about to read my book. I love it so far. If you couldn't tell, I didn't really pick up the camera much when I was playing pickleball, so you'll just see like that one sunset video. It was really fun. And then this morning I did Zumba with my mom, and I made lunch and then made a Ninja Creamy video. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with the Ninja Creamies. Anyway, have a youth activity tonight and pickleball after because I love pickleball. I don't know if I'm going to pick up the camera as much, but yeah, we're going to read my book and sit out here and get tan. The fit. Oh yeah. Good morning. We're in the car waiting on my brother. This morning we are headed over to go water a garden for one of my friends. Anyway, let's go. So I forgot to tell you guys, I'm also feeding cats, goats, and dogs. Look how precious they are. Look how precious. No. Ah! Okay. Not so precious, but... Okay, I fed the cute little kittens and the dogs, so now I'm going over to give some stuff to some baby goats. Look how cute! Well, there's the goats. They drank it like they hadn't eaten in days, which I know they have eaten, but crazy. Now it's off to gardening. sweating bullets right now, but the garden is done. It's about to rain, but I'm home from the garden and I am hungry. And so we have our own garden here at home. Trying to grab some fresh tomatoes and cucumbers for my lunch. Look at those. Okay, I got them. So let's go before the rain starts. Really picked up the camera today just because it's been raining and I take a shower and get ready because I'm going on a date. So I'm gonna head off on my date. This is where I'm gonna end the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great week and I'll see you the next vlog.
We need it for